at the Lincoln Tunnel instead of Route 3. You're going to be forced onto the New Jersey Turnpike. And if you're on Tunnel Avenue northbound saying, what the heck is going on here? Why is traffic so heavy? Why is it jammed up from Secaucus Road up to Route 3? That's why you can't get onto Route 3. Again, you're going to be forced onto 495 and then over to the Turnpike. The inbound side of the Lincoln is good. That's not affected by this at all. Holland Tunnel is fine. So is the George Block. In Newark on 21 southbound, there is no access to westbound 78 local lanes. There's an accident investigation on that ramp. Road conditions are certainly wet, but not as slippery as what we were dealing with earlier. We had some problems in Westchester County. County, from Pelhamdale Avenue up to the Cross County, they're cleaning up from some early morning accidents, so the northbound hutch is temporarily shut. Right there at the Cross County Parkway, actually. New England Thruway looks good in the meantime. It is cloudy. It's about 39 degrees here in New York City. Your latest Weather Channel forecast is coming up.
Winter weather advisories up, and they do include New York City and the 5 boroughs of Long Island. Go up the Hudson Valley into northern parts of Jersey. Hundreds of accidents have been reported earlier this morning as roads are getting very slippery with freezing rain and sleet and even some snow around. Even around New York City, temperatures have been dangerously close to freezing, and it looks like we may get some icing locally. Most of the bigger problems are northbound and on the thruway, the arterial routes, and even as you get onto the Taconic State Parkway. If you are traveling side roads, especially North Jersey, and going into southeastern New York State, Westchester, Dutchess counties, Putnam counties, Orange County, those are the areas we're probably having the most impact as we go through the first part of today. All rain showers by this afternoon. The city about 44 to 34. Snow and accumulating snowfall with low pressure off the coast, potentially 1 to 3 inches to the north. From the Weather Channel, I'm Ray Stajic.
Thank you for stopping by.
Andy Cohen Live is fun, a party, revelatory. Singing is so interesting. I'm talking, now I'm singing, now I'm talking. Andy Cohen Live on Radio Andy SiriusXM 102. Or listen anytime on the SiriusXM app.
Now, SiriusXM First Traffic.